Na sabro beti ma share live on Facebook so transfer from 97.3 na face no wala ikene wa share o comment ni na wo de ba the back you can na dia ma oduma de so I go there for you. Yes. So what you about to say what my man assurance now we sabe man kasa no me mu de wo pa kire amanfo bi no say ana man abani awre se pa chonya sa Bema unika prekwa obenya oba obedo nyina ne se obema ni good assurance na face no wakro no na wado ne yepa dey obi on this one assurance na say dem nika mo aso tie no anche bia ne beko studio bi na yakwa akodi nkomo and on payimfo akukudam na yes payimfo krompa anya asem ketwa anche bia sura now say the media come on so no trust media college say betu my interview na mani nyina no atima wi mu pay trust media college and eso yasene aya woda so be centro ni nkwade a suma maso na make am fudi ama ba bia wo bia no betu mo bo modern no be piem ya wati mota ya ne kan ta go to mobile showroom no e bo chepe se kwa mu da wade a yenkwa na fesu yenkwa shen komo twetwe na be microphone mami ene nili no bi ene ba be din komo e ofia ha o ye musician obonyom wo hip hop ebo high life trend ni nyina afro pop nyina so obobi na oba no woni na pamfo ne bae panimpa ne de nyane no entwetwe enkomo na before ansana no ewiase ati no se wo ya de na se onkwa wo de wadwene unim de ene unyansan ya eya na mmoa enti na ese awurade mra no mehyae na ye hwese dwumadi ni nyina betimi akosoto ati oh yeah we know be my brother bless me yes from Linobi it's a dwumadi e beji na awurade mehyae said o karo hey oh Baba don't put my house Baba bless me everybody share now we share sano juma so eka Linobi yeah kasa sebe mama mi wacha say what the film na to nyumrete so kasa film mama chi yes chi bibia boko there boss apomboko omunyina ahoye omunyina obi ahoye ayifo ni nyina ahoye ya so komo chiche na say FM free ha first of all ye kaseli no bia explain who kakra charity for
we no be a community
okay
see community so we no be free voter region
a group so
through
okay
so what I was born in Nigeria
and I will teach you some yo Nigeria and I will teach you some
and yeah easy so we say like this is my motherland
okay
so I don't want to forget my
language
okay I come from this time
so you share what education background kaka
education background so it's okay we are like now we secondary school
we secondary school why
Patron like Nigeria Patron
okay let's just so you be bia Nigeria
Patron
okay so asoma
so like the way and then I come because mini mini papa again to me boy me call me university no listen am say person me fa me talent so me discover me talent now like and easy so life start so now we say okay I can do things I have talent so I discover my talent I can do music
okay
and into fashion the same time so I bought me pan Yeah.
So right now, you might say,
Oh, me to me. To me, Chichi, but me, I don't know.
like a jump to on a few while, a Jumafu from your Susaka.
Yeah, Patron.
Okay.
Alongside.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Patron.
Oh, sorry.
Victory Bible Church.
Oh, sorry, in few basic.
Oh, when I was born, since when I was instrumentalist in the church, then like we have
I didn't want to gospel.
to me, like now we discover my talent and you say gospel, but me too show gospel.
Okay.
Yeah, but okay. Now me a good war, secular.
Okay.
Yeah, good secular. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, show we say so and share. Young baby, a jump to a chassis, a bell, a jump to a jumano. Over first, I see so and I see a wound neck on one out the buyer.
I come and I say, baby, small Erasmus. Because I discovered my talent when I was in a kid, like 6 years old. I discovered I can do a lot.
Okay.
Me to me, yeah, who yeah, baby, or me free 6 years. Me to me, yeah, who knew I can be.
Also, we be says,
like, if you did something now, something I never knew before.
Okay.
Who yeah, we are, who qua, number me to me, yeah.
And you know, young father said, send committee here, and I'm a boy, mamma, because Miss Solid I also bet now with my decision.
Oh, now we would win now, who change your one. Oh, now we draw, I'm to me, yeah. But me to me, yet to say, oh, try my best. You better try my best.
Now, just say, oh, what I came, that's almost a driver in Chicago. See how to make
a gift. And I said, me go. Like I went to take it from someone. A gift.
A gift.
Yeah, a gift.
Your baby was specialized and I said everything.
It's no, you can't say you know everything in this boy.
No, me just say. Also, who can say, dear, Obi Bayer, or Yeria, or how bit may be no. Yeah, you'll be busy, Bia, Obi, yeah, and young. Or could we also bit my to be? And I said, BM. Now, okay. And today, I don't to honor. We are school, Yenny Cameron, so we are school. Now, see, we need papa, only mammy, or what. Life on we secondary school, life on a bachelor, said as you call it, what if I in fact.
Also, easy. You know, easy crap. You know, easy at all. You know, easy.
Okay.
The lifestyle, I'm here, they call me missing, and I'm missing Kakra.
We missing.
Missing.
Also, missing than you are. Oh. I'm about to come to throw and no crowd to us.
Yeah, what was there like? Time I was school now me losing me although me papa me losing me papa 2006. Okay. So me mommy was 2009, 2010 if I'm not wrong. Okay. So from there was not like family no grab on yeah family the sika woman there we are here and then I'll be like if you see something that you want, if you see some small money that you want to take and chop now. Okay. So it was not easy for me as a kid. Okay. I'm coming up. So it was not easy at all. So,
yeah, we were secondary school and I'm more mini papa and cow family no soon be no. Again, I would say beginning of life no.
Yeah, I'm trying to say like mini.
We Juma Ben, who didn't catch us here or Brown be senior high school.
Fashion.
Fashion. Yeah. Okay, that is we tailoring.
Patron.
Okay. Okay. Young chef bra, Usia, the family, and a bra, your friend say, I don't to honor a bem. I don't to honor by time, babe, because was I don't honor your talent from the beginning. And your brother now focus yourself as a weird.
We started 2012. But 2012, no, me Sika cost studio at the idea, so me started 2017, 2018 on Nami Brass Studio, I said, we did very. So from there, I was like, first thing, but it ain't easy. Because it not be easy, it not be easy, crap.
It not be easy. I know, say it not be easy, but Mammy share dear Kakra. A young tool, a talent.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
Me got Nigeria as I say, I'm young to because artists and no more to good now in Nigeria.
Yeah.
I'm not saying second artist in the battle serious.
I don't know.
What I say?
I don't know.
I don't know the actually much. But Nigeria for almost penum too. Until because of say Nigeria now what's anything I'm also because sometimes music can be than a rapper. And that time I saw what you're born in you go kill me, no, so I'll do trend. And come here, your rapper because we shine. And I'm here to me, you freestyle, yes, but and you never know said no, I didn't never lie. It's yes, every time. And you know, young chap who focus on yourself as we are June to now see 2012 or first track out about one thing, lady.
A old trap, now I said that like producer and I'm using now also you're upcoming. Upcoming. Yeah, so also I need good stuff. So to me promoting no out. Because all the thing I was doing then was just like me coming up. So because I don't want
and you know, as I track and your friends say master and I said a demo. Mistake.
Virtual.
Okay. Obina trauma and as a one out.
Me na me sure.
It's a person of us out.
Me sometimes you inspiration be a na me nanti na me ye bi na me go toilet inspiration over anytime.
What you mean for inspiration if you private so. How do you more for inspiration free that you and then we go for inspiration free private so.
Yeah, everything is because
I didn't want to take all that to do so inspiration free.
Who is that like a talent so it's me back anytime inspiration.
Oh no. Because inspiration there, inspiration about dream. And after Sylvia, what there be Munaka and Amo, Subina, can you sorry, and a but private to so far pass out the party because private is who could do a doing in us own. You know,
and something against that when I get my inspiration is that now me sad and now me like something happened to me then. I was crying like yes, emotional like I mean at the end of that part. He said bless me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Me now like me cover me now be disappointing me or promising me and now disappointing me. Now me nanti. Maybe now me nanti ba. What he said me nanti free. Actually not that call La Paz.
Yes, a move.
But like I'm experiencing it.
I tell you what happens around that.
Wait, no, I mean to me yet. Maybe to me yet. Because now I'm like feeling bad, like inspiration number of things. Bless me, make a turn up on this bad energy. Okay. Like inspiration number, now is like me cool fear. Because before me get through fear, another one we can we see that one go Google. Me quickly taking me for now me recording me sharp. Okay. So me drew fear, I'm be opening my book now. Let me try chorus too.
Yeah, and you might be able to sometimes compared to my grand, I say I'm forward. You need to be inspiration on. I said, would I try them? Okay. Obia try the mama pay. One out you. One out you. Walk up your opinion pay, will be lyrics, walk up you pay. It's a new man who train a while lyrics. And I do show. Apart from say, we are sad, I will be near inspiration and as being a one person of us say now for lyrics and I say,
when I'm happy.
When it's here, but to say that again, I will shout out. No, I'm not saying say. What's the when it's here? And I said, what did you that's a woman that's when it's here?
Who is there? Who's sorry and apart? Who, like you pray to God and you are just coming out and someone just say, hey, you know, I don't want me to do something, give me one, but be 50 Ghana di man.
Okay.
Usori no pa tututu. Our bompai. On say blessing pan.
Okay.
We need cheap on say 50 Ghana there, 50 Ghana near there, we need 70 pound. So we bet me to idea na me bet me cost studios. We bet you akakra, na me compare kakra count.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Ntino ebra wani agye so timi e ma won space ma le tro nyum.
pa chan.
Assurance no wani ani je be na de tro assurance.
Assurance there. Now you get a big pain. Get no. Like mommy like mommy Philippine boy. Me adapt for my kuna like
I told you say any je na wo kan ga job so bia ma 50 Ghana and I say ABS. Me say assurance no. Inspiration na wunya ni free him.
me ex back.
Okay.
Me ex back.
And I'm on inspiration.
Yeah.
Ma choice.
Yeah.
How many years now over your friends in music industry? We calculate how many years?
Let me see, going to 2017, 2020.
Okay.
It's almost like, let me see, let me just say 4 years.
Okay, 4 years.
4 years now.
4 years in music industry. Wow. No be easy. Say your whole can.
But
no be easy.
If my skin they like your skin, the way I go they happy when your skin don't cry, they make
okay, now you see me here now. I know they are fun to baby answer. 4 years in music industry. Uba joke to you when it pan. When it Bibiam who abem say janum to.
Now me believe I believe in myself.
Obiam who abem say janum to.
Bacho daddy.
Obiam who abem.
Like me to me sending me a human me a downful. Oh Charlie shema me over to me say oh Charlie I no get it out. What the who was a woman make to credit. Want to me load, want to me where transformer will get crack, this is 10 cities, data and things. For me, I send you my track then you know they pull, you know they share and things. You see that things so mommy feeling sad but like me to me give it up because it's my talent. I believe in myself.
But don't give up.
I never give up. That is like on there sometimes who drop in one who say a day crampo like some 24 hours, we 15 this thing is me fair. We call you Max, me fair, but what can I do? I just have to because who say Ghana, what's Ghana? You are doing good music.
Okay.
It's hard for you. You see, it's hard for you. Okay. But if you are singing, hey, pakoro, that one, straight.
So we are paid
but good music, it's hard for good music to come out. Okay. So what we know, we are going to get there.
Okay. Yeah, because we hear good music. Right now, my mom is a producer.
Patron.
What producer?
Patron.
Producer way. And producer here.
Patron.
Okay. What's you? I salute you. Say also hear good music now. What's on us? 4 years about music industry no more. And I'm thinking busana. Abamugo ne was more na aba. Abamugo ne more na aba. Ebi gusu ebeba, but ni nyina no never give up.
Yeah.
Yes, kakra. Shatawale unum do boy.
Shatawale the kingo.
Aha, o nyum bebre but obi antikra da say obo nyum. Nti no de ebeba. Enti no yan hwe we say so na hwe ade. Oba music industry ni mu no. Challenges ben na what face you music industry.
Challenge na ma face me say I don't have a manager, I don't have a record label. I'm just like hustling my own, but it's not easy. Like I need someone that can like hold me down as an artist. Like, okay. I want to push you, like you understand that kind of thing. Because and yeah, easy. Also, easy because when I'm a brain,
and you know, so could do my corner, so open us out for the 15.11K. Just 2 hours.
2 hours.
Now post to get to a 1 year ago. 15 views. I understand how you.
I hear me to say like, support before coming up, and yet easy. Or take step by step.
But I don't want to say, Sadia no quite to say, I didn't mean music. Sadia Maruma, I had a boo about say, I didn't mean music.
Me to me, because believe, I pray to God, and I know God answer my prayers.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know one one time and a second I'm going to me to me post there at the there. Sometimes. Me to me post there sometimes. It's not that they are not seeing it. People that want to help you, they are not seeing, but you have to take some steps.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to take some steps before. Over to me, your manager, over to me, yeah. To tell me what trust FMCC are. Someone can listen to me now and say, oh, Charlie, person me person me yes.
Okay.
But you know, be easy.
You know, be easy, you know, overcome, but me soon. How many tracks now they about Bonte?
It's like 6 or
6 tracks.
Yeah.
Out in Ayana resource in every out of Ayana to say.
Yeah. But just that we need more support and the manager and record label.
Okay.
Yes.
Ayana about for easy, sir. Ayana easy, sir. But yes, Ayana upcoming artist for no more bar. More better here. Come on. Be honest, oh, bless me. Assurance, come on. Chatawale munina say come on, fe. Bandana from Ghana, no the Ghana any. Eko wi eje okata kepu, kepa, wan. Stombo mi aputu ni wan. Entino, right now mama hu. We have coming artists awo bay. O trend no any dey. Ehemfa na o star no dey fa. We have Afro pop artists, we are hip hop artists. And also we are Azunto artists, we are Francophone artists. They are
Afrobeat artists.
Afrobeat.
Yeah, Afrobeat to the world.
Okay.
Yeah. And shout out to all my superstars at the top, pushing Afrobeat to the top.
Okay.
Like Kelvin Boy.
Okay.
Daco Vibes.
Okay.
Kiddy.
Okay.
Yeah. King Promise.
Okay.
Shout out to all of them because it's not easy because Afrobeat versus here. Once the Afrobeat bar in Nigeria, Ghana play high life.
Okay.
But Nigeria play Afrobeat.
Okay.
So who call outside now because Americans see American grandpa like they are tapping into Afrobeat.
Okay.
You see, you just have to do something to get to know, like people to know you more and more. You understand? Like Sakode Grammy.
About Afrobeat.
Afrobeat, yeah.
That I want to so jama. And you know, right now I say what's we Afrobeat.
Pachana.
And Afrobeat now na do kwa na se bidu be be direct.
Oh, no dear, me direct because Afrobeat na me buy. Like Afrobeat, I'm into Afrobeat. But if you said I can do all those things, but I can't do dance all and things. Oh, Afrobeat na hear me fepa. Okay.
And you know, I don't know who say oh ba no the Afrobeat re buy. Who was 6 straps?
Afrobeat no. Like cover tracks. People relate to Afrobeat like more like vibe no.
Okay.
Because I believe that Afrobeat no, yeah, we believe in more Afrobeat. Okay. Yeah, we believe in Afrobeat.
Afrobeat.
Yeah.
And you know, young show fans, you know. I did be a so we be and you can say we are mom. Yeah. Or more mutino. So what to know, more mutino in you are. Udi na be no eyekwa. But you say what drop back, what drop me, so what drop na you know is check you say o fans no de omo ye no money je ho anase senka wodi bibi kakra bi bata ho anko mbepe
on say like sometimes I'm dropping you with me case me sometimes na me crambo me feel say Charlie you wey dey already share me say e be far wo sometimes feedback na me getting oh Charlie be do since I na me na consider obi to me from me oh Lino me to me take mo gra Lino be me to me say Charlie then go we like me ni background crambo na ka say Lino be na me surprised I'm very amazed because I never believe I'm going to be recognized like that.
Okay.
Because it's not easy because and second to like is like meaning say obi to me whom everything from me say Lino be because the way I am no I don't have that like that sponsor and that like recognition that someone is going to know me.
Okay.
Someone is going to do this because this is my first time on radio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my first. I've never been on radio before.
Okay.
So when I see people calling my name year and year, it's like I'm proud of myself, and I see that no, I have to do more.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to do more, and I have to push myself also.
So, over music industry, what try so would be a the friends like a star be collaboration.
Milwaukee Kakra. I say, Amirado and
Amirado.
Yeah, Kel Song and Kontakra.
Kontakra. And Takra they open a way. I think so. Or I think so. Now, what me approach you almost every person no more.
Me wo Amirado number, but sometimes I'm WhatsApp like on view me message. Like me.
Yes, sir. Upcoming artists, you know, some more pesta, more bread.
Yeah.
And to the moment, say, omo ya hand and I say, omo ya day.
No, one says sometimes they are busy.
Busy for what?
I don't know, maybe he's working out or but you just have to come and view it.
Time Ben here now they what's happening.
Oh, sometimes I know part, sometimes in because sometimes in Umri over to make up baby I would do because over do for be 10 and I say, but sometimes maybe online 24/7 because now I'm sending you a message about 2 ticks in November but
on view. I don't think so no pa you push you.
Yeah.
You push you no pa.
Yeah.
And you know because I dey we na on kwa na wo kan.
Bajan.
You bet mama sa ko the number say obefre no won fa.
Bajan.
Obetuma chat sa ko the say nso won fi. Eno no uhu ni say sa de no stars no a hunter bi na ye omo ana say dey because I don't think say you know beat here no be superstar obi ani mu push to outside in here. E je ne be si hu kwa say unue bi o person no super system no e WhatsApp wa unfi.
Eno there because one say who is celebrity there, who is popular. One person will never call outside. Obi like me now, it's like I'm having a record label or a manager.
Okay.
It's my manager that is going to talk to his manager like,
okay.
Oh, me perceive me artist like you want to jump on one of his songs or his tracks on his album. Okay. You understand? So, but if I'm going straight forward and I don't have manager, it's very hard for me.
Okay.
You see, it's very hard for me. So, but time goes on. Maybe one day you can just view my message and say, oh, who is this guy disturbing me all the time, grandpa? So basically, now me reply no bounce because since I'm in managers reply no bounce say obey Jimmy 50 million now 100 million. And is me be man no time. Me got the machine and that there.
And not reply in your mind.
But try.
Now, what try so no be collaboration what top price be am up.
Aye, but try.
Na why? Akwa.
But try.
Price be no the man.
But
and so I common edi. O try say woni akwabo be nyum. O charge we say
I say 7K.
70 million old currency. Now Beyonce this at our board man say.
Oh, like
oh no. It's too much. It's too much. 7,000 Ghana cedi.
Yeah.
Akwabwa.
Danny beat is yeah, Danny beat.
Wow.
Oh, and easy boss. Because who wakasa who do drop no grandpa because now me feel Danny beat fan.
Okay.
Danny beat here. Obi ana me penasem.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. You like only me producer can or you are down for. You are not down for but as time goes on, me say like something will come.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you know, kwesi akwabwa na so na say ni producer.
Akwabwa nkasa.
Akwabwa na nkasa.
But try.
Also pay 7,000 Ghana
But try.
before answer no one why anymore.
But try.
Na ka enu be na ka opesa wo dey.
Oh, like
high life me person me who say and to just o beto asem ni keke no kwa na 7,000 na say obi obe promote on the platform so amanyom no afa na o kan ni na bom dia jo sa na say
and what them to me come because who feature obi like big artists like Akwaboah
na yo Akwaboah no ye wo kwabra Akwaboah ho wo na bu adadam what as Akwaboah na nka so your friends no wo fa ho and wo Akwaboah success music omumu die hin
success music
Akwaboah ye him na post no ne your friend say I do love you Akwaboah ya
Batwan
what is so be 7k
Batwan
before answer what was him
Batwan
I don't know minimum and say amudi nkan ne hihye ya answer na enum no na mo pesa mo ye how many or ye how many minutes because I don't think say we no be feature no dey acha 1 minute or 2 minutes because enum no acha 4 minutes yes
Batwan like let me say 3 minutes
3 minutes
yeah because I don't believe he said now me Akwaboah also out there hit it man record yeah we far
you know 7k wow enyezo lindo bi na eguso ene ne edi nkomo mfidie mu anu na eguso edi nkomo na munim se ente bia na nanse krom ha wo fo ba bia yesi Kumasi dinya nkasa ne yachenyi na friend Kumerica entino amanfo bebre na se ye free Kumasi Kumerica na wodi nyum bia ba ye friend Kumerica
Batwan yeah the king was on it
who ye Kumasi ni
Batwan David
so leave us alone
oh me feel Kumerica
Kumerica for say before answer na wo be to nyum a wo dey title be to say Kumerica I just hope Kumasi be visa wo Kumasi rappers wo no be visa no be team so ma and so kwa na wo be to drop here wa drop it
oh only say Kumerica sisi Kumerica bagana
okay
a big thing man
okay
a long thing
and you know I didn't buy mu tell you Kumerica na dey fire no
Kumerica is me feel Kumerica ba
okay
feel Kumerica I love Kumerica so much because now me like most of me are down for like they are from Kumerica so I love Kumerica a lot okay. Now me dating girl be last time
Kumerica
say last year 2018 on
Kumerica you are Kumerica pe
David
na eden na we dey
Oba like sometimes now or you free or back crown now so call
Oba America
Oba Canada we Canada
and you know Kumerica no Chicago and say Massachusetts
you
asemu yeguso ni no bi di komo ofidie mu ana yentie Kumerica na ye ka ho asem na mra na afiso ye santoa enyu komo twetwe no so
Who would you trust ever? Who would you trust ever?
See how we living, see how we chilling, see how we killing.
Who would you trust ever?
24 keys.
Who would you trust ever?
I ain't lazy, shut your bitch, think how you tripping, yeah. Don't let them lie to you, money is power, money open many doors. Kumerica. All my niggas so real, all my niggas know the drill. I got niggas so la placa, love. Wait a minute. Check out this, what do you see? We got some money so expensive, like you're breaking down. We don't give a fuck about you, we don't give a fuck about us. How we want this, that I get my niggas hot.
You know, be on this one, Kumerica, yes. And if you are you to chunk come on. Now you do that and you way so. You know, me, we're not a mass up and I say a mistake.
But a trend. A trend. Now me jumping on because Shata the day no dropping or say boys. Okay. So anything I me follow trend. Bad man. Back up no mad.
Okay.
Because like the response I was getting from this track was dope.
Okay.
Because I rap on this song.
Okay.
The rap again.
Kumerica. you know, be fishing at America.
Yeah.
Okay. Yan show we say no na yan to ayon ko die no so. Enu to no de uma wa bobia yan so no. Kakra ebe fa because we good music. Na yana upcoming artist bien wo ba obebo enwuma asabi any good music. I just say patapa kwa na yes ade.
Oh, patapa dey me to me count. Patapa is superstar. They are talented, man.
Patapa is talented.
Seriously.
Patapa is talented. Oh.
Batron. Obi now to me dropping you, man. The whole world was jamming to her. A star. Me to me, Obi now can say patapa or to you, papa, or yes, Charlie. What if you do? Why you dey sing for many years? We no get to the top, or you no get mansion, or you no buy them things. Best you get one hit song, no, you buy mansion, then you buy cars and things. Then you dey there the top. How many years you start with? You they do song where you no get one hit song or bar or hit ya we casting say on you papa I don't know
onim bra o school nya free SHS da
mini
obi no aduane ma free da
Davi
enso na say no aduane mo from go school free yes entino e favor
yeah
ena patapanya
Batron
entino right now no what na Nigeria kakra
Batron
yen compare Nigeria music in Ghana music.
Oh, Nigeria, everybody know Nigeria is the. When we remove foreign music,
okay.
When we bring Nigeria conquer everywhere.
Everywhere.
Because Whiskey dropping music here, and not the video, and now Olamide, my Godfather dropping music here. Everywhere will be locked down.
Okay.
So when like I'm not saying that when the Shatta was Stomba or Sakode drop song everywhere is not going to be locked down. I'm just trying to put like Nigeria because Sakode and Kasa when you say Nigeria a big market.
Okay.
Nigeria market there will be every upcoming artist will, like when they are coming up they want to be in that market.
Okay.
They want to go to that market. They want to purchase that market.
Okay.
And Tanzania too. Tanzania was dope. Oh bro, Afrobeat and Kwao.
Okay.
So I see Nigeria is a very, 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 very.
You know, are you trying to tell me say Nigeria artists are good than Ghanaian artists?
Some of them. Yeah,
some of them.
Because Nigeria affiliate R2Bs, Sarkodie, Stoneboy, Kidi, Kwesiata, and Shatta Wale also.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm feeling vibe no. Sister Ifia recently Sister Ifia featured Victory. So you know it is
but you sure you know. Nigeria artists no.
Yeah.
Omo lyrics any omo words no we use to them na compared to Ghana yen so ye no. Even omo rap no way no. How far say no we see mu and no far.
Yeah, Nigeria like the way they do their own music, their own genre is different. You can't compare Nigerian musician to any Africa musician. When we take off America, you can't compare Nigerian musician to any musician in the Africa or anywhere now, because Nigerian markets are dope.
Okay.
Big. And I love that I was born in Nigeria and I was growing up in Nigeria.
Okay.
I love that. Yeah.
And you know, Nigeria, Ghana for no young people in Nigeria for when it's come to music.
Yeah.
Nigeria for it dope.
The patron. I just say Ghana is dope. Ghana, we have very, 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 very talented artists.
Okay.
Like me now.
Okay.
Like Kudu Fame, The Life of Simba, The Life of F2 Blaze.
Okay.
SY, Black Villa, Waiter. Yeah, we are like Uber me. Like you come to my hood, you see all the artists there, they are dope.
Okay.
100% dope.
Okay.
So when if you are telling me now that Ghana we have a good, very, very, very talented, but we have problem with like our promoters, people that will come and like record label or manager or team that will come. We are facing that problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you know, young share music industry no na e wono. Obiara wo be adwuma one share will be die kakra.
Patron.
Nsua ne kakra.
Patron.
And you know, artists Nigeria na Ghana no. And I say we are singing now. One na wo share the wo ye ne kakra na wo so dia e bia bata wo de no.
My Godfather Olamide.
Olamide.
Patron.
Olamide. Hey, oh Godfather. I didn't want to choose Ghana.
Oh, Ghana, they Mbeba Ghana so. Ghana, they Mbeba Pan, I ask Nigeria. I love Olamide so much.
But maybe can Nigeria near Ghana in our book?
Maybe to zoom
Ghana,
Ghana, so I mean, Ghana, there are 3. You know, 3 Godfather of Ghana.
One.
First, let me say Shatawale, Papa,
okay,
and
okay,
followed by Key. Yeah, and let me wait for Bakukam.
Okay,
Have to please.
Okay. And you know, since no Ghana, the more show more star, and I also the account more than a year. But said Shatawale and Stone Bomb dance artists.
Yeah, they are doing also Afrobeat.
Okay.
Yeah. You see, when we are talking about dancehall is not for Ghana or for Nigeria. It's for Jamaica. They knew.
But you will see America for the dancehall by. When Monday will be say your friends in America for the dancehall by.
Oh, but
dancehall is not free. I can't castle.
Oh. Me say dancehall free Jamaica also because dancehall there before dancehall came it was reggae. Okay. Lucky Dube time one Bob Marley time one reggae any dancehall. But me one say Obiba we can say me dancehall artist but me dancehall ya Afrobeat dancehall artist. He say Pantoranki on to me but I say oh yeah dancehall. We say Afrobeat dancehall. Okay. Yeah. And you know, Lino B, see now, young father say, what music industry, you know. In few credit anymore. And she said, Ben, I shall go and France and office of Ghana for because I don't think say, so Casse, you were semi or her, the Casse, Name Baye. Name do bit my you, but also what your way or one. So we have good music. Nese nyame tawachi nese your friends promotion ne nyama bi na go tra ni nyina nyam betima ere but ni nyina so jan modin bo awede obebo na yet me entino enfie da wani mu a wode be yonwum no ahoboa be ni hihye be na why because say you know obi e mo nwum ni bi obi e bo afro pop yi bi what I say? Upcoming artists for be na no system will be a try sell obey day next time be sign it no who so there and then I obey because Afro beat ya go be so bet my say ya the same thing like good music and then I also bet my ya obey unique and I said then I will ya we unique at that's Afro me style different. Okay. Yeah, I have a unique style.
Who bet my channel was style like unique than other artists.
Because if I'm writing my song, okay. Although who wait to me trying to wait to me get experience or being, okay. But I'm not that kind of artist that may be zero. Like maybe I get experience or being. Okay. I can do my own thing myself. That is why I said my style is unique. Okay. And the way I sing and the way my voice and the way my lyrics, everything is different. We are unique artists. So who to me but said because like I went to sample your song or I went to steal your song. Okay. Yeah, I have my own style. Okay. That is what I want Ghana to know. That is what I want Nigeria to know. That is what I want the whole world to know. Okay. We are bringing something to your way. Straight up. Because when say Afrobeat, you say Afrobeat or call you man. Everybody on the baby. Yeah. So just follow the trend. Who follow trender? Who wait to me push Afrobeat to the top. Okay. And you won't come. Okay. You have artists in the top right now. Okay. Like Light of Kelvin Boy, Kwesiata, Kiddy, Kwame, Eugene, King Promise, Daku Vibes, Lamenga, and you see all those kind of people. Okay. If you tap into their blessings, you can get something and go on. Okay. You see, just that I'm a young artist and I'm an upcoming artist. It's very hard for me. Okay. To push that Afrobeat. Okay. But when I get the love and the support, I can do it more than what they are doing. So when you support to a bit my more than the Kelvin Boy anymore because I was born in Nigeria. Okay. But I'm not in Nigeria. Okay. I'm a Ghanaian. I'm from Buta. Straight up. And me to me far Nigerian language. Me to me far away. Me to me far tree. Me to me fa brofu tunyo. Me to me fa Yoruba tunyo. Me to me fa Igbo tunyo. Me to me fa Ewe tunyo.
How many languages now?
Me ti Yoruba, Igbo, me ti Hausa kaka. I'm to Chui. We the Nigeria, we the Egan. Me to me kaga kra on freestyle kra yeah. So
into
language no yeah.
Support no and I won't hear.
Bajon.
More than for say your boy and say man support now. I think the baby our person could do. Who beat me do what? Be a meet me I'll go you and so far what me a rap kaka.
Bajon. We American we rap.
We are rap
Bajon.
And I was singing.
Bajon.
Dance on one and come.
That's what they meet me and dance on Bajon. Was
And if I won't boss a mini.
Because dance all there, dance all. I'm not going to sit here and say
okay.
I'm going to let dancehall go like that because dancehall is a thing that everybody know. The life of Stonebwoy, Jupiter, Shatawale, different kind of a lot of artists. Because now I'm in Ghana industrial.
Okay.
Like I can see the rappers are there, the dancehall are there. Okay. But they are wait, like Afrobeat, Afrobeat is in the middle, so they just have to allow Afrobeat to come through.
But before sana usimona na opesa odi tracks babontin na Afrobeat no na trendy said the na trendy ya
na trendy
but odi any be CI but one say ye nyina no say ye kwa dwama so na say obia ton your friend say pen
yeah
ade ade tro obia to sa pen we say bi e say di obia ton sa pen we bi na unso wa kwakwe or the ton for no atenti na wakasa atenti no bia ton blue pen enti no measurement on red pen atenti na unza manfo bible na ya afro pop no change style
say like am style na make them like that is what I feel.
Okay.
Like in me that I know that I can do this.
Okay.
Even if we said Afrobeat is going now, I can come with my style and take Afrobeat back.
Okay.
You understand? So Afrobeat then like Afrobeat is in me.
Okay.
I was born with Afrobeat.
Okay.
And I love Afrobeat so much. Okay. Maybe to me yeah hip hop.
Okay.
Maybe to me yeah I like an reggae. But reggae no me a good work gospel no.
Okay.
But reggae no but if it's come to secular I can do a rap and Afrobeat.
Okay. Yentie sa nyu we say emra. Yentie nyu.
Baby,
Who would you
you know
trust
I
FM?
feel long time.
Who would you trust FM?
You know, baby.
Who would you trust FM?
Oh, yeah. I'm a ninja wine for me. I'm a ninja wine for me. I'm a ninja dance for me. Dance for me.
Who would you trust
I'm a ninja
FM?
wine for me. I'm a ninja wine for me. I'm a ninja dance for me. Dance for me. We the shake your back up. You the make Batman loco. Come here, young daddy lumba. Young daddy lumba. Bust in my brain top. Bust in my system. Bust in my brain. I'm a ninja wine for me. I'm a ninja dance for me. Dance for me. I'm a ninja wine for me. I'm a ninja wine for me. I'm a ninja dance for me. Dance for me. We the shake your back up. You the make Batman loco. Come here, shake your back up. You the make Batman loco. Come here, shake your back up.
Sa nyu we onu bi ntia me lupu ano. Onu bi ntia. Tia hase mi.
You the make Batman loco. Come here, shake your back up. You the make Batman loco.
On for obi slogan wa ha.
Baja Davi. This Batman look what?
Aha.
A slogan now with me use get
Okay.
They make my brain
Na
why they look like
na so.
Nigeria. Laila Nigeria there. Laila is forever.
Enti no pa cha say Ghana for no ko wi free Nigeria.
Me too can say me patron.
But Nigeria for na dey buy na Ghana for here hater na.
Patron. There be any say Ghana man beat. A slogan get to use or get to what make get to see away why they make my head look like that.
But sir your friend said abodam.
Yeah.
ahun obi atimi ka bi bate obi slogan
enye say obi slogan on so okoti wo baby no say obi say ohun say obi to me use a brand obi to me using branding obi to me branding obi to me branding style you know obi to me use e be fa
okay
so
and o de ma mi tie o de ni mi na mi tie
Man look come here and shake your back up. You dey make bad man look.
na tie wi su ka ho what I say we are
what's that ohun say we there a slogan yeah we to make call Nigeria this year obi use rapper use singer use amafo use enye kwa me je pen na we use
okay
obi to use